Okay, so pag-usapan natin yung product rule. Sa product rule, if we have here h of x, yan, is equal to a function f of x and a function g of x, the derivative of h of x, we put this as h prime of x. That will be, kukunin natin yung una, which is the first, and let's take the derivative of gx. So g prime of x plus the second, which is g prime of x multiplied, hindi siya dapat prime, g of x, and the second multiplied by the derivative of the first term. So f of x. Yan. Okay, so let's have an example. Example number 1. Meron tayo ditong y is equal to x squared plus 1. Yan. And then multiplied by x cubed. What is the derivative of this one? Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, if we have here the y prime is equal to the first x squared plus 1 times the derivative of the second. So what is the derivative of this one? So 3x squared, right? Plus the second, which is x cubed multiplied by the derivative of the first. So that is 2x. Then let's simplify. So y prime is equal to what? We have, multiply natin to. So that is 3x to the fourth, okay, plus 3x squared plus, what's this? 2x to the fourth. So we simplify it further. That is 5x to the fourth plus 3x squared. So ito na yung kanyang derivative. Check natin. Paano kapag minultiply natin o dinistribute natin yung function? Check natin. So y prime, y is equal to, we multiply this one, that is x to the fifth, right? Plus x cubed. And if we take the derivative of this one, ano yung derivative niya? Pareho lang. So that is 5x to the fourth plus 3x squared. Which is, this one is also equal to this one. Ayan. Okay? So, yun. Yung unang ginamit natin using the, anong tawag natin doon? Product rule. Ayan. Product rule or multiplication rule. Sige. Gawa pa tayo ng isang example. So let's have another example. Example number 2. Ayan. Example number 2. If we have here y is equal to x squared multiplied by square root of x squared minus 4. Halimbawa yan. Okay? So, ano yung derivative nito? The derivative of this one, y prime, is equal to, sabi ko kanina, we can actually, sige, simplify muna natin to into exponent form. So, x squared, ano yung exponent nito? X squared minus 4. And then to the 1/2. Ayan. So, nawala yung 2. So, we have here the first x squared times the derivative of the second. So, ano yung derivative niyan? Ang derivative nito is 1/2. Okay? Pagkatapos, x squared minus 4 Diba, ang exponent niya is 1 half minus 1. Yan. Times, ano yung multiply natin? Yung derivative nung nasa loob. So, 2x. Parang, itong problem na to ay may kasama siyang chain rule. Yan. Plus, yung second, which is this one. X squared minus 4 to the 1 half multiplied by the derivative of the first. Ano yung derivative ng x squared? Diba? 2x. Sige. So, we simplify this further. X prime is equal to, may 2x dito. So, that is 2x cubed. Right? Over 2 kasi may 1 half. And then, ano nito? So, x squared minus 4. 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half. Yan. Plus, ano nangyari dito? We have 2x, and then x squared minus 4. What happened next? Ano nangyari? Simplify natin to. This 2 and 2 cancels out. So, y prime is equal to, what happened? Diba kapag negative exponent, ilalagay natin sa ilalim para mag-positive. Ayan. So, that will be x cubed over x squared minus 4 to the 1 half plus, ayan. Sorry, dapat may 1 half dito, ano? Ayan. 2x and then x squared minus 4 to the 1 half. If we put that into a radical sign, lalagyan natin ng, if we put it in radical, that is x cubed over square root of x squared minus 4, right? Plus 2x and then x squared minus 4 to the, lagay natin sa radical, square root of x squared minus 4. Kung tutusin, ito na yung kanyang sagot. Pero if you want to simplify that further, kung isi-simplify natin, sige, simplify natin. Algebraic manipulation lang naman to. So we have x cubed plus 2x, and then x squared, square root of x squared minus 4 times square root of x squared minus 4. That is x squared minus 4 na lang. So x squared minus 4 over yung nasa ilalim na radical natin, which is square root of x squared minus 4. Sige, i-simplify pa natin siya further. Kapag pinagsama-sama natin yung mga terms, that will be, ano mangyari? Ito, 2x cubed, diba? Plus x cubed is 3x cubed minus 2x times 4 is 8x. So 8x over the square root of x squared minus 4. So that is already our final answer. The derivative of y is equal to x squared multiplied by square root of x to the 4th, x squared minus 4 is equal to 3x cubed minus 8x over square root of x squared minus 4. So sana nasundan nyo. Nagawa pa tayo ng isa para ma-practice. Okay? Sige. Adjust lang natin yung screen for number 3. Example number 3. Basta sundan nyo lang yung, the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first function. So if we have here y is equal to, gagamit tayo ng trigonometric function, x sine x. Ayan. So ano yung y prime nito? What is the derivative of this one? Our y prime is equal to what? Tulad ng sabi ko ngayon, the first, which is x, multiplied by the derivative of the second. What is the derivative of sine x? Diba cosine x? So cosine x plus yung sine x, which is the second, multiplied by the derivative of the first. What is the derivative of x? Diba 1? So therefore, anong sagot natin? Y prime is equal to x cosine x plus sine x. Simple as that. Sige, isa pa. If we have here, example number 4 na tayo. If we have here f of x, yan, gamit tayo ng f of x para hindi ano ba? X ln of x. Ayan. Ano yung f prime of x? Ano yung derivative niya? Well, nagsabi ko, the first, which is x, times the derivative of the second, which is ln of x. What is the derivative of ln of x? That is 1 over x, right? Plus the second times the derivative of the first, which is 1. So therefore, kung titignan nyo, itong x at saka x will cancel out. Our derivative is equal to 1 plus ln of x. So, ito na yung kanyang derivative. Okay? Naintindihan? So, isa pa. Dapat tayo ng isa. Example number 5. If we have here y is equal to square root of x multiplied by square root of x plus 1. Nakakabato kapag puro radical yung function kasi ano ba to? Fraction yung kanyang exponent. Lagyan natin to sa ilalagay natin to sa exponent form, hindi siya sa radical. So square root of x, ano siya in exponent? 1/2, right? Pagkatapos, x plus 1 to the 1/2. Yan. So, ito ngayon yung ating i-derivative. If we take the derivative of that one, and kita pa ba? Kita pa. So, di ba meron tayong y is equal to x to the 1/2 multiplied by, x plus 1 to the 1/2 kasi square root of x plus 1. So, our derivative, therefore, y prime is equal to the first, which is x plus 1, x to the 1/2 multiplied by the derivative of the second. So, ano yung derivative nito? Yung exponent 1/2 and then x plus 1 to the 1/2 minus 1 sa power rule, right? And then plus the second, which is x plus 1 to the 1/2 multiplied by the derivative of the first. So, ang derivative niya, x to the 1/2 minus 1. Yan. Simplify natin. So, I have y prime is equal to, derivative naman nito, x plus 1 is 1 din, kaya okay lang. So, x to the 1/2, and x to the 1/2 multiplied by x plus 1 to the negative 1/2 over 2. Kasi may 1/2 dito. Plus, yung isa naman. Okay? 1/2, labas natin yung constant. And then, x 1/2 minus 1. X to the negative 1/2, diba? Negative 1/2. Tapos, x plus 1 to the 1/2. Sige, lahat ng negative ilalagay natin sa ilalim. And so y prime, simplify natin. So that is x to the 1/2 over 2 and then x plus 1 to the 1/2 plus. And ito negative to, ilalagay natin siya sa ilalim. Ito positive, dapat nasa taas. So x plus 1 to the 1/2 over, may 1/2 dito, di ba? 2 and then x to the 1/2. Okay. Now, simplify na natin to. Lagay natin sa radical. Kung gusto nyo, pwede naman yan. So, kung titingnan nyo, merong 1/2 both. Kaya lalabas na natin yung constant. So, y prime is equal to 1/2. Yan. Sa taas is square root of x over square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 over square root of x. Ayan. Pagkatapos, i-simplify natin, pagsamahin natin. Diba, i-cross natin yan, multiply din natin dito. So, fraction lang yan. So, 1/2 therefore is equal to, ano to, square root of x times square root of x, of course, that is x. Plus, ano to, square root of x plus 1 multiplied by square root of x plus 1, of course, that is x plus 1. Yan, all over, kita pa ba? Yes. Square root of x multiplied by square root of x plus 1. Sige. And simplify pa natin. Pwede natin pagsamahin. X plus x is 2x. So, meron tayong constant to 1/2. And then, ano yung isa? 2x plus 1 over square root of x multiplied by square root of x plus 1. Yan. So, nasundan. Ito na yung final answer. So, the derivative of x to the 1/2 times x plus 1 to the 1/2 is 1/2 times the quantity 2x plus 1 over square root of x times the square root of x plus 1. Yon, sana nasundan ninyo yung mga different examples natin. Mag-practice lang na mag-solve para nang sa ganun ay masanay na pag naka-encounter kayo ng gantong mga problems sa susunod ay madali nyo na lang siyang masasagot.